Hey everyone, it's Jess with ColDesi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to sublimate a t-shirt. So the first step is to print your graphic on your Sawgrass SG1000, and we're using the TextPrint 11x17 sublimation paper. So what we're going to go ahead and do next is get our printed graphic onto our t-shirt. So we're using our Vapor Apparel Basic Tee and our Vapor foam kit that we've used heat tape to attach to our Galaxy 15x15 heat press. And you can find all of these items on ColDesi.com. What we're going to go ahead and do is also thread our shirt to prevent lines and make sure it's even. You can just put music over this, I guess, or something. There we are. Now we're going to take our printed graphic of our car here, and we're going to place it onto our shirt. We're going to use a finishing sheet right on top, and we're going to press. Now, you can find all the detailed instructions on how to sublimate a vapor tee online at ColDesi.com as well. So a quick tip is I like to put my finger in the middle and roll back in order to prevent ghosting. And then we can remove our vapor t-shirt from our heat press, and we have our completed sublimated vapor tee. So to learn more about what you can do with your Sawgrass SG1000 Sublimation Printer, visit ColDesi.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.